differently. But he did the license plate thing. That's pretty cool. Might show the frame more. Definitely want to get some. Has new tires, but I'm new to the bike game, so anybody out there that kind of rides smoothly already, I definitely love it. So tell me what you guys think. Go ahead. You guys stay tuned, like and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos about the bike.
Take my hand and find expression in the silent night and let the moon break in.